Estimated cost of Android and iOS mobile apps in 2022. Transforming a business into an app has become a need of many. From MNCs to new startups, almost every business owner is going mobile to improve sales, customer experience, and so more. Regardless of the industry, you will easily find businesses in a hurry to digitize them. Because every successful entrepreneur is online and selling products to the world via the app. Customers like you always wonder what's the cost to create a mobile app. High quality and affordable packages are what everyone looks for when hiring an expert firm. No matter if the agency is in the US or India. Well, the software development cost is not fixed and varies widely. It does not just depend upon a time, but several factors help you determine the cost. Top factors to determine the app cost. Thinking of a highly functional mobile app? The foremost question that might arise in your mind: what's the average cost to develop an Android or iOS app? In this post, you will get the answer to every question. There are some factors that you can consider to easily determine the cost of the app. Before we calculate the actual cost, let's discuss those factors one by one. The app development team you pick. It is the most common factor you can consider to determine the price to create an app. The cost of the app depends upon your requirement, either you need a basic team or the extended one. An app development team usually consists of team members like business analysts, developers, UI/UX designers, project managers, testing experts, etc. Even if your requirement is not for advanced features and just the basics, you'll still require a proper team. The technical complexity of the project. There are a wide array of technical elements and functionalities that increase the project's complexity. For seamless app performance, there is a need of adding advanced functionalities to the app. As the complexity increases, the app development price also increases. Also, an application that needs third-party services requires additional time to get integrated, which means it will take more time and more expense. The features and apps testing. One of the main reasons to develop a mobile app is to provide customers with better services and experiences. All this means that the success factor of the app also depends upon its features. The features you are adding to the app must ensure hassle-free service. A powerful app contains security features and multiple service integrations. So, if you prefer to add advanced features to your app, the cost of creating a mobile app will also rise. The platform you pick for development. The selection of the platform for which your application is being built directly affects the application development price. If you are going to build an app for a single app, it will cost less than the selection of multiple platforms. The mobile app cost for iOS, Android, and any other platform varies. The device generation also matters if you are determining the app's cost. If your app idea requirement is for supporting older devices, it requires more effort and time. As a result, the cost of the app increases. From the above information, it's clear that the average cost to build an app can be determined based on the hours the project may take, the complexity of the project, and so more. Basic app. A basic app includes simple functionality. There is no need to integrate any third-party APIs, backend infrastructure, and advanced features that increase the app's cost. Such apps require basic app design, standard UI components, and simple search filters. Developing a basic app requires less budget and time. Moderate app. Here we mean medium complex apps. Such an app development requires custom UI/UX, chat support, multiple payment functionality, and API integration. The development takes more hours as compared to the basic app. Also, the cost to make an app increases alongside time and effort. Highly complex app. Various things go into the development of highly complex apps, right from advanced functionality to features. Functionality like audio/video streaming, integration of third-party services, high-level programming, databases, and complex backends. In comparison to the basic and medium complex app, the highly complex app takes more hours and the cost is also high. Average app development cost in the USA vs India. The average app development cost in the US vs India will differ. From scratch to end, the app cost would go beyond $50,000 in the US. If we talk about the same cost in India, it's less. And this is the reason, businesses are likely to develop apps from Indian IT companies to save money. The average app development cost of an app for both platforms will be somewhere around $10,000–$20,000. The average app development cost for Android. Because of the higher competition in today's market, it is challenging for businesses to digitize them and reach the utmost heights. But still, they want to do this in the most cost-effective way possible. As per the basic market knowledge, the mobile app cost for Android depends upon whether you need a basic, moderate, or highly complex app, the size of the app, level of UI, APIs, integrations, and features. For a basic Android app. If your need is for the basic Android app, the cost might be somewhere between $5,000–$10,000. Your basic app be included with the following: template-based UI, basic security measures, administrative features, user management, content management, reporting/analytics/notifications, exclusive features, search filters, multilingual support, ratings/reviews, chatting, push notifications, and alerts. For moderate Android app, a medium complex app solution for Android combined with some advanced functionality, rich graphics, and impressive UX. The price to build an app for Android somewhere lies between $10,000 to $15,000. Inside the medium complexity app, the common features include are: polished level UI or custom branded UI, user login email ID/password or via social media networks, administrative features, user management, content management, reporting/analytics/notifications, features for users, interactive dashboard, activity feed, file uploading, user profile, ratings/reviews, audio/video processing, third-party service integration, social networks or e-commerce, cloud-based data management, complete security, shopping cart, exclusive features, search filters, multilingual support, ratings/reviews, chatting, push notifications, and alerts. For highly complex Android app, the requirement of a highly complex or large app requires more time, cost, and effort. The cost of the highly complex or large app is somewhere between $20,000–$25,000. The most common features for a large app for Android are listed below. Well-polished or custom-branded user interface. User registration or login either through email ID/password, via social networks, or two-step authorization. User features, interactive dashboard, activity feed, file uploading, user profile, ratings/reviews, audio/video processing. Advanced admin features, right from user management, content management, reporting and analytics, notification control, etc. Third-party service integration, social networks, location, and e-commerce. Cloud-based database. Encrypted communication with complete security protection. Additional features, search filters, multilingual support, ratings/reviews, chatting, push notifications, and alerts. The average app development cost for iOS. iOS app development costs can be either cost-effective or pricey. Due to the app's complexity, the cost can be varied. The fact of the matter is that an Android app costs much similar to an iOS app. The difference is only that multiple screen sizes and devices make Android a complex operating system to work in. There are three categories: basic, moderate, and complex apps. Let's know the average cost of iOS app development based on three categories. For a simple iOS app, a basic iOS app comes with no API integration, backend, and advanced elements. Simple features can be added and the cost usually less than the moderate and complex apps. The cost may be somewhere between $12,000–$18,000. If we talk about the time, then the app generally takes around 1 month. Features of a simple iOS app are: Basic or templated based UI. Email/password sign up. Simple user features, profile management, activity feed, search filter, ratings/reviews, etc. Admin features like user management, content management, reporting, and so more. Simple database. Basic security measures. Exclusive features like smart search, multilingual support, in-app chat, notifications, usage analytic, etc. For moderate iOS app. A moderate iOS app is inbuilt with custom features and the cost is usually more than a simple app, but less than a complex one. Such an app generally takes 1 or 2 months to develop and ranges between $15,000 to $22,000. The common features are: custom branded user interface, built-in payment gateway, external API integrations, user login either through email ID/password or via social networks. Features for admin like user management, content management, notification, control, etc. Third-party service integration, cloud-based database integration, complete security. For highly complex iOS app. The cost to develop a highly complex iOS app is more than basic and medium complex apps. Because of the integration of advanced features and functionality, the app usually takes 2 to 3 months. A highly complex app typically ranges between $20,000 to $25,000. The complex app is included with the following features: custom UX/UI design, complex backend, user login via email/password, social networks, and 2-step authorization. Third-party integrations, social networks, e-commerce, etc. Advanced admin features, right from user management to control notifications. Cloud-based database. Encrypted communication with complete protection. Advanced shopping cart for billing. Additional features like search filters, multilingual support, activity feeds, etc. PWA app development cost. PWA refers to progressive web app development that uses emerging APIs and features to deliver a native app-like experience to users. It provides both the features of the app and website. Just like other development, several factors contribute to the cost of the progressive web app. One can calculate the cost based on key factors like design complexity, features, functionality, etc. We're here to give a rough idea of the average cost to make an app. A basic app will cost around $4,000. The average complex app will cost somewhere between $5,000 to $7,000. Whereas the cost of a highly complex progressive web app with complicated functionality is around $10,000. Hybrid app development cost. Hybrid is the most trending mobile app development technology. Such a development combines both the features and elements of native and web applications. For some businesses, this development is an ideal choice in terms of performance and optimization. A hybrid app development cost also depends upon various factors, including the complexity of the app, choice of development platform, and so more. A hybrid application with decent functionality costs somewhere between $8,000 to $15,000. AR/VR app development cost. The majority of businesses are leveraging the power of immersive technologies for better business growth. All those who come across the AR/VR app development might have questions in mind related to the development cost. Well, there is not a short formula for analyzing the AR/VR app development cost. Depending upon the time required to accomplish the app, it's easy to determine the cost to build a successful app. All in all, the cost may vary from $15,000 to $50,000. It varies from required functionality to the technology used. Conclusion: almost every business needs a suitable app solution to survive in this competitive market. Only with unique app development can one provide an immense user experience. The companies need to consider both the location of the development team and the app's complexity. Therefore, it would be best to consider a mobile app development company in the USA, making it easier for your project by limiting the regional barrier. And if we talk about the average cost to create